Alright, it's recording. Hi! I'm Janelle of simplylocal.life, and some of you have asked to get to know a little more about me, so I decided to do a get to know me question and answer video plus an assumptions about me video that I'll be responding to. So today, because I'm gonna feel confident that I'm exciting enough on my own, so I'm drawing this fun personality, Miss MITOYA'S, or MITOYA'S.
Yes.
And we are at lovely Island Coffees in Devon House. It's one of my favorite cafes, which I'm sure if you haven't, you can read about at simplylocal.life or check their page at islandcoffeescafe.com.
Yes. Yes.
Alright, I'll do my best.
Alright, guys. So I added some nice spicy one at the ends for you guys because I know you're a bit shy, but don't worry, we're gonna get the answers out of her today. So
this is especially why you gave me rum cream.
She's sipping on the rum cream latte
for her questions.
Loosen up a bit. Rum cream latte, which is excellent. That's one of our coffee cocktails here. So you ready? Alright, so easy. Let's start with easy, simple. What's your zodiac sign?
I am a Virgo. Sign of the Virgin.
What month? What month is that?
September.
Sign of the Virgin.
September.
Okay. Next one. You travel the world. Do you ever find romance even though you're not looking for it?
Well, first of all, that's an assumption. What? Okay,
You
fine.
travel the world.
I speaking it into being.
Exactly.
I travel the world.
Exactly.
I have I? No, I've never found romance while traveling. No, not while traveling.
Nobody Nairobi on the plane. No tourist attraction. Nobody.
No, there's always somebody.
No,
there's always somebody who will come up and introduce themselves. Maybe we talk a little bit, but
that's it.
After I leave, bye bye.
That's no little DM Facebook chat.
Facebook chat.
I don't know. Like
no, not while traveling. No.
Why you always lay thirst traps like saying that monster was thirsty? That's only really awkward we did it. Yeah.
Even though probably just meeting me for the first time or looking at me, I don't really give off the impression that I will do certain things or post certain pictures.
No, you're not sign, the virgin, whatever you said earlier.
You see?
Yes.
So I am told. So I am told.
Yes.
So I like the shock factor.
You do set them up on your page though. You do. You're a teaser. You're a teaser. Have you seen her bust it down? Is it still on your page?
Yes.
You need
the bust it challenge.
The bust it challenge.
There's that other side which comes out when Shirley and I like shocking people. You could say that. Her name is Janisha.
Hey! It's Isha for me. Are you single?
Yes.
You take a while to answer that one. Yeah, sure.
I am single.
Is that like I'm single because I don't have like a ring on, or is that I'm single because I don't have any entanglements? I don't have nothing.
I don't have no money.
Yeah. All right. How old are you?
I'm 25 plus shipping and handling.
Somewhere along there.
Yeah. I'll put the shipping and handling part in the video and see how much that add up to.
What was your dream career as a child?
What was it? The first dream career that I remember having was to be a veterinarian.
I know why.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
I really loved animals. I still do. But then I couldn't deal with the blood.
Yeah. I think my thing is I thought animals were cute. And then I think after that it moved to flight attendant, which I still want to be.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh. That would go right along with like your love for travel and all that.
Exactly.
So vet, flight attendant. Anymore?
As a child, I think at one point I wanted to be a graphic designer. I think. I kind of am, so I guess yeah.
You still kind of fall into that.
Yeah. That's pretty much it.
Okay. What led you to start blogging? Because you're a blogger rather than a vlogger.
Yes. Yeah. I'm trying to be a vlogger. I want to ask. So I went on a 5-day cruise from Miami to Bahamas. And for anybody who's been on a cruise, especially a short one like that, you figure most of the time you're on the ship versus at the destination, and when you're at the destination it's literally a few hours.
Yeah,
of the
and
day.
then it's just traveling the whole time.
Yeah, but the whole experience touched me so much where I was like, I don't want to just do this like once a year. I want to travel as often as I can. I said, alright, I'm going to explore Jamaica more. So of course when I went and shared, people kept asking me, where is this? How is this place? Blah blah blah. So I was like, alright. That's when I decided to make a blog and just put the information there instead of repeating myself
Every
over
time.
and over and over.
So you just link your that article or whatever to
Yeah.
the person.
So I'm like, here, this is the place, these are the highlights, check it out, all the information is there, and that's where it started.
It just came out,
Yeah, that's where it started. I'm really tired of people asking the same questions over and over. So I said, you know what, let me turn this into a creative outlet.
That's so good. Are you a full-time blogger? If not, what do you do? You are now.
You could say that, yeah. For the past 2 years, I've been blogging full-time. Of course, that also comes with doing photography, doing videos, doing digital marketing. Everything that's encompassed in that, I've been doing for the past 2 years. So I'm a blogger, etc.
But you used to work as well, right?
Yeah. That before I became a blogger full-time, I was working in social media management. Yeah. From like 2013, come up with different companies. Yeah.
That's crazy. I didn't realize people invested in that title from back then. I didn't realize that. Okay, so you ain't new to this.
I'm not.
You season, you marinate everything. You've been about this social media life. Okay. What's next on your bucket list with regards to travel and experiences?
What's next on my list is to go to a new country.
What about Jamaica? Anywhere in Jamaica you want to go?
Nowhere in particular. There's a few experiences I want to have that I just haven't had yet, such as I want to learn to scuba dive, as well as I want to, what it called? When them on the boat and them tie you up and they fly.
Oh,
would you like it?
I don't remember what's called, but I know it.
Paragliding? No, parasailing is.
Paragliding?
I think it's paragliding.
Open at the bottom or something. Yeah, anytime.
I want to do both.
Okay. Oh, we did come over here already. Alright, so here. Is it hard for you to talk to others about problems you face in life? And if so, why? This is a deep question.
Yes, and that's the only anonymous question I got.
Oh.
Which is kind of triggering my anxiety. I'm like, who is asking me this? But to an extent, because I think this is a Virgo tendency. I'm usually stuck between oversharing and not sharing at all. So to those close to me, I may overshare on certain things, but then there are other times when I just don't want to talk to anybody because I feel like it's life. Everybody has their own problems. Everybody has their own triggers. So sometimes I just, even though I don't believe my friends will feel this way, I feel like me sharing my problems with you may be a burden to you.
Right.
Whether to your energy of that day or you just tired of hearing about whatever we are talking about. Yeah, so in sometimes it is, sometimes it's not.
Alright, so ready for my question?
Hold on. Drink Wally.
Oh, you done it? People.
I'm sure I get all the wrong ingredients there.
Ready? Okay.
Not ready.
So, first question. What's your favorite place or restaurant to go with your other half?
This is, when you say other half, we're speaking hypothetically, yes?
Yeah, because you say you're single.
Okay, the car. I'm like, wait. Is this
You
a
say
trap?
you're single now?
Okay, alright.
It's too quick. I was trying to catch it. It's too quick.
Your video. So go watch your video too. My top 10 favorite places in Jamaica. In the past, couples resorts have been my favorite.
So you went there with your other half?
Yes, at
At the time. She's still. Alright, next one. Do you like girls and boys or just boys?
Well. I like men.
I got you.
I didn't expect that at all. Boy, sorry.
Thank God you were drinking with that show.
Right? I like men. I have been physically attracted to females, but from a romantic standpoint, I like men.
Alright. Do you believe in waiting for marriage or testing the waters first?
We're talking sexually.
You're nasty off.
Testy.
I know,
Because I have. So. I
I
can't lie.
want me to you.
I can't lie. Never been married, but I have tested, so.
Oh, it's funny you say that. Do you want kids in the future?
I think so, but I'm not sure.
Not sure.
I think so, but I'm not sure if I think so because it feels like an ideal picture or I genuinely want kids.
So you're like someone who will appreciate nieces, nephews, best friend kids.
But I think I would want one, you know, after I done settle down and stuff. I think I would want one. I think so.
Okay.
To some
Next
degree
one.
at least.
Last
There's
one.
more? Oh.
Just one more.
Jesus.
Do you believe in marriage?
Yeah. I would, yeah. I do believe in marriage in the sense that I like to get married. I come from a happily married family. But I think past relationships have tainted my view of marriage. To me, even though I still want it, I find it very scary. Like that level of commitment to somebody. Because it's not, I realize it's not just committing to loving and being there for a person for who they are today, because people change all the time. So you're also committing to loving future versions of them and then loving future versions of you, and that you both will be compatible. That's the scary part. But ideally, I would love to have a loving partner, and love to get married and have a lovely life. But the dating part is boy.
Just follow-up questions.
Oh, because I was like, you said that was the last one.
Follow-up question. You know, like those reporters, like some follow-up question.
Okay.
So, is it make or break if you're with a partner and they don't believe in marriage? So, say you're with someone and you're like, you know, I love you and I'll be with you, but I don't really believe in marriage. Is that a make or break for you?
I think so.
Yeah.
Because I'm not somebody who'd be like, oh, maybe they feel that way now, and then after they're with me, they'll change their mind. No, that's a lot to invest, especially if you want marriage. If them say them don't want it, then, you know, I'm not going to try to change them. If their mind changes because of me, then hey, kudos to me. And we know that off the bat, I don't see the point in us going further.
Okay. That's it.
You sure?
Yes, that's
it.
it.
Wasn't bad. Alright. Except that second question. That second question did back me up a little bit. I was like, well, alright, okay. Well, you see why I'm a bringer? Because it definitely would not have been this way if it's me alone. But thanks for your questions. Of course, you can check out more at Simply Local at Life on social media and the website. Of course, if you're in Kingston or Ocherius, check out Island Coffee's Cafe.
At Island Coffee's Cafe.
Yeah. Anything else you want to add?
Yeah, so check out my YouTube channels. I have two. My MITOYA'S, subscribe to that, and my family channel, which is the Hastings Family. Look forward to seeing you guys over there. We have lots of fun family content. And MITOYA'S is a bit more on the raunchy side. But yeah.
Yes, I concur.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you for having me.
No problem.
And Island Coffees for having us.